Hello everyone. Today we will talk about debt-free strategies that will help you achieve financial freedom. If you want more such content, don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel so I can continue to provide more tips and strategies to help you on your financial journey. Now let's take a look at effective methods on how to get rid of your debts. 1. Create a budget. Organize all your income and expenses in a detailed list, such as rent, bills, and debt payments. Make a clear distinction between fixed expenses and variable expenses, such as food, entertainment, and shopping. This is your financial situation. It helps you understand better and manage your budget more effectively. 2. Cut unnecessary expenses. By reducing the frequency of eating out and canceling unnecessary subscriptions, and save significantly on your expenses by restricting luxury purchases. Review your shopping habits in detail and prevent arbitrary purchases. Focus on what you really need. 3. Prioritize highest interest debt. Understand the long-term cost of high interest rates by knowing the interest rate and total amount of each debt, and prioritize the highest interest debt. While reducing this debt rapidly by making extra payments, maintain your financial balance by making minimum payments on other debts. 3. Find additional income sources. Freelance work, teaching online courses, or working on weekends according to your own skills and interests. Earn extra income by researching additional jobs you can do. By allocating a large portion of this additional income to your debt payments, you will find an effective way to reduce your debts faster. 4. Cut expenses. You can significantly reduce your bills by turning off unnecessary lights and applying water-saving methods in your home equipped with energy-efficient devices. You can also reduce your shopping expenses by tracking sales, buying in bulk, and choosing generic products over expensive brands. 5. Create an emergency fund. By automatically directing a certain percentage of your salary each month to a savings account, build a large emergency fund over the long term. Even with small beginnings, this fund covers unexpected expenses such as car repairs, or acts as a safety net for medical emergencies so you don't have to borrow money in case of an emergency. Over time, this method will become an investment that will increase your financial security and reduce your financial stress. If you found this information useful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more content. I'm waiting for your comments. I'd love to know what strategies worked for you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.